What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is pretty exciting, guys. This is another day, guys. I didn't record an intro because I wasn't expecting it to come in this early, but yeah, man, it's here. I recorded the footage of me getting it, me unboxing it and everything, and I'm at the next day right now, guys. I'm about to wash the car right now, so as I'm washing the car, guys, enjoy this little film of me unboxing this thing, and hopefully you guys are excited as I am. It's not on the car yet. I mean, it's on the car now, but on that recording, it's not on yet. So after I'm done washing this car, guys, I will show you it on the car right now, man. It's on the car. I can show you guys right now, but you have to watch the unboxing first. So go ahead, enjoy that unboxing, and right after that, guys, I'll show you a little walk around after I'm done washing this thing, and it looks freaking sweet, guys. So let me tell you that right now. It looks amazing. So enjoy this, guys. I've been that. Anyways, guys, so enjoy that, and I've been holding out on you guys for a long time. I haven't been posting on my Instagram. I've been good. So now that this is released, guys, you guys are gonna get awesome pictures of it and everything. So enjoy this video, guys. I hope you like it. Light. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, the manufacturer told me to check it out before I signed for anything, just to make sure it was all good.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks to be good. Wow. Yeah, man, it looks awesome. I appreciate you getting something good. One piece at least. Yeah.
Sign right there.
All right. Yeah, I've never had livery service before. Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Alright, man, I appreciate it. Yeah, you too. So here it is, guys. Just washed her all up. There she is. She looks great, man. kind of a gap right here, but we just need to make some little adjustments. You guys can tell, we got the functional vents right there. Yeah, man. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can tell, it came out pretty good. It just missed the line just like a little bit, but we'll figure that out here shortly. But yeah, man, I think I love the way it looks. It's just kind of weird to me because I've always had paint to match everything. So me going to black and the white kind of color scheme is kind of weird to me, but it's already growing on me. But yeah, man, I love the way it looks. It looks awesome, and it was a pretty penny too. So yeah, man, I really liked it. So if you guys like it, I'm gonna be doing like kind of like a video, like a movie, or like a photo shoot here pretty soon. So that'll be up on the channel soon, guys. But yeah, man, as always, if you guys like this video, please drop a big thumbs up. It means a lot to me, man. Let's keep on growing. And if you guys want to be supporters of the channel, this is your first time here, guys, make sure you drop a big subscribe, and I would appreciate it greatly, man. So yeah, we'll see you on the next upload, guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching.